Hello everyone, here is Juicy from Racing Package. We are specialized in package design and manufacturing. Today, I would like to show you the box. First, I would like to show you an outer box. It is made by recycled paper. Looks rough in the surface. Next, I will show you the inner shape. And he have a good fixing. This chain is added black pigment in this box. And if you want to customize other color, as long as you provide Pantone color number for us, we can provide a series of solutions for you. And our products show the zero pollution, zero emission, the production process. And the wastewater corner cutting material can be reused, including deceptive products can be recycled. Our product actually 100% in less than 3 months. If you are interested in our product, welcome to contact with us. Thank you very much.